Intel's Extreme Rig Challenge is a competition where system builders work to create the most extreme gaming rig, utilizing Intel's unlocked 7th generation Core i7 processor and their 600p SSD. Intel asked us to visit and check out 6 of the final systems that you guys voted for.
My name's Alexis Roselle and I'm the social media manager here at Origin PC.
We flew all over North America in the US and Canada to take a look at the top 6 builds for the Intel Extreme Rig Challenge and the people behind them.
Origin PC was founded by Richard, Hector, and Kevin. They were part of the first 10 guys that started Alienware. When Dell came over and took over Alienware, they decided to stick to their roots and create custom high-end PCs. I think what excites us the most is being able to become completely creative with our builds, design something entirely new, mostly just create something that's never been seen before. So in this instance, we looked at last year's rig that we submitted for the Intel Rig Challenge. We thought, how could we do it even better this time? We want to do the world's first 2 VR systems in one so that friends can play together in the same location. We want to always do something that makes us stand out from the crowd and do something completely different from your standard rig. The way we do our builds, for example, the new Kaby Lake from Intel, is very, very efficient. So we don't have to go as hardcore on the cooling, giving us more space in our builds to do a bunch of unique and new things that we haven't tried before. Intel's new M.2s are fantastic because they're very space efficient, so we can put them in a much smaller form factor. So our desire for every PC leaving our facility is that it handles whatever's thrown at it. Whether it's 4K gaming or VR gaming at the highest settings, or if it's a workstation PC, we want it to be able to handle rendering and engineering or anything that they want to do with it. We want them to feel secure that they were able to customize it to their liking to make it their own. We want their service from beginning to end to be phenomenal and something that they'll always remember. I think we'll win because we have something completely different that we haven't done before. We have 2 high-end systems in one. It's got LCD side panels which can display what they're seeing in their VR helmet or just bring an awesome screensaver that'll show off the system. It's something completely new. I think it really makes us stand out. I know that we're going to win this year's Intel Rig Challenge.
Then it was time for main gear in New Jersey.
Oh, do you really want to know what I do? What's up, guys? I'm Wallace. I'm the founder for Main Gear. I oversee every design from its inception to all the way down to production. As a matter of fact, in 2017, I will be signing every single manual that leaves the company. Nice. Are we doing that, Ron? The Extreme Rig Challenge allows me to go beyond what we normally do. And what we normally do is already beyond what most manufacturers do. We're set apart from other system builders, not just by the product. It starts with the product. We need to make sure our products are unique, right? And we seek inspiration from the automotive world. The way the systems are assembled here in our factory, it looks like a Ferrari shop. We have mechanic carts in the shop. Even down to when you unpack it, there's actually a fresh car scent. We spray new car scent in every single system. These little touches is what we do really, really well. So all the hand testing that we do, the hand building, so one man, one machine, and all the way to the out-of-box experience. We need to make sure that you actually feel good when you open it and it smells good. And you're just sniffing your system when you get it. It's pretty cool. I don't think anybody else does that. We're actually own a body shop just to paint these computers. All right, so like the color choices from a 750 horsepower Hellcat. The fittings, we wanted to make it look like a mod, like a car. And those are the principles that we apply to every system. In this case, the R1 is actually inheriting a lot of these features, a lot of these aesthetics, and we're bringing, from that world, we're actually bringing it into this system, into this mod. It's being done for you. It's not coming off an assembly line. It has a parallel loop cooling system. The CPU is getting fresh water, and so are the GPUs at the same time. We play to win. We designed the system to make sure that we win every category. It has over $1,200 in fittings. This is just chrome fittings. They're expensive, but it's worth it.
Pretty much next door to our office in Richmond, British Columbia is NCIX.
Okay, my name's Nathaniel, and I am the R&D and project coordinator for NCIX PC. I like to build computers. I like for people to notice the small things that nobody else sees. All the cable management and the engraving work on everything. It's the little details that really pull it together that I want people to appreciate and notice. I designed the new systems, play around with new technology, figure out how it works, and how we can offer it to customers. With the engraving, I wanted to tie it into the Asus Gladius and Spatha mouse, and I was just really inspired by the design that they put on those keyboards and mice, and I wanted to carry that onto the PC to make it feel like it's one entire package. What really sets my computer apart is that it's on a VESA arm and it's floating above the desk like it's a gift from the computer gods. I am such a stickler for detail that I redid the tubing twice and I rebuilt the system 3 times because I didn't like a particular bend, or it wasn't perpendicular, or it wasn't parallel with the rest of the system. And just being ready to play with it the moment it comes out of the box. Seeing it go off into the wild with another person makes me a little distraught, but I know that they're gonna take care of it, and I know they're gonna love it and enjoy it as much as I do.
The winner will be announced at PAX East, and there's still time to get out there and vote. Each vote enters you for a chance to win one of these systems, so go now.